I am recording.
All right.
No, I'm reading the.
I am about to try. Give me the bottle.
This is.
Give me
I'm
the bottle.
not inebriated or otherwise.
This is Mad Dog 357. This is 600,000 scoville, which, to give you an idea, your average Tabasco is between 2,500 to 5,000 scoville units, and this is 600,000 scoville units. So it's about over 100 times hotter than Tabasco. And I'm about to take this teaspoonful, and all I have to wash it down with.
But you can't take that until 2 minutes after.
I have to wait 2 minutes. I have to keep it in my mouth for 5 seconds.
Brother, you don't gotta do this shit.
I know I don't. So,
All right.
Well, let's do it.
this is where it goes.
Here you go.
That was the dumbest thing I've ever seen a human being do. 2 minutes starts now.
We got 3 minutes left.
Is that hot?
I don't even want to breathe.
That's the coffee I wash it down.
Starts off not too bad. And it intensifies. Oh, it's going down my throat.
Oh, man.
You want to keep swallowing because you can feel it in your mouth. You're trying to get it out. You get it down.
I can smell it now.
I feel like I got dragon's breath.
Stop breathing. We're all getting the fucking spicy.
I got the hiccups. Every time I hiccup.
You're being from your stupid shit.
Yeah. Oh, man.
I say take another tablespoon.
I say go fuck yourself.
Man, this is food.
It's really starting to suck. The back of my throat is on fire. Can we change that 2 minutes to 30 seconds?
Now you got a minute left.
No.
1 minute.
No. Fuck you.
Oh, man.
I hope that works.
You were right, this is dumb. Oh, you were right, this is really dumb.
I watched it all down.
Imagine how you're gonna feel about 2 hours later when you have to shit.
Oh, man.
It's gargling milk.
It doesn't even help. Oh, it's in my nose. This was really dumb.
I didn't even consume that much ice. How did that
How working man versus food does that?
I feel stupid. I feel really stupid. Oh, so does mine. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay.
Can I get a drink out of here?
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Well, yeah, it's probably that ulcer for me.
There's a hole in my stomach.
You just gave yourself an ulcer.
Oh, man.
I think I might have.
You want some oatmeal? You want some prunes?
Do we have prunes?
Not wrong. I'll go get them for him.
I don't think he wants to shit that right now.
Oh, what did I think? I have to burp, but it won't burp.
heard that term brave or really dumb?
There's a thin line between bravery and stupidity. I need to blow my nose.
That's probably not a good idea. That's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt.
Oh, you were right.
Just imagine we didn't buy that milk this morning.